These are the JBL Reflect Contour 2 wireless headphones, and I want to show you how to connect these via Bluetooth to your smartphone. In this case I have here my iPhone, and first on the iPhone I'm going to go to the settings menu, and there you will find here this Bluetooth menu that you click on, and here you can enable Bluetooth. And you already see here a small list of devices that I have connected to previously. And now the new headphones here, the Reflect Contour 2, we're going to make those appear here on the bottom of the list. And we do this by taking the headphones and turning them on by pressing here the power button for about 3 seconds. And then at that point here, this little LED on the top of the remote that will start to blink, and eventually it was going to blink in blue and red. So it will toggle between blue and red, and that means that the headphones are in pairing mode. And at that point you should see here on the bottom of the list on your phone the headphones, and you select them and it's going to automatically connect. And now we can go here to our music app and play our favorite music. And now the great thing is, the next time when we want to use these headphones together with our smartphone here, we just turn on the headphones, and as long as Bluetooth is still enabled on the smartphone, they are going to automatically connect, and we don't have to do a thing. See, just like this here, it automatically connected and we can instantly use them. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, then please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.